China's BYD became the world's leading seller of pure electric vehicles in the fourth quarter of 2023, marking another landmark moment in China's fast-growing new energy vehicle sector. The Shenzhen-based auto company announced the sales of 526,409 all-electric cars between October and December, surpassing Tesla's 484,507 in the same period. The annual figures also saw BYD retaining the title of the world's top new energy vehicle seller, with more than 3.02 million cars sold last year, including both pure electric models and plug-in hybrid ones. China's new energy vehicles market has maintained a strong growth momentum, contributing to the rapid development of Chinese car companies. Chinese auto companies are actively integrating into the global industrial chain and sharing the latest achievements in green development with the world. Relying on its innovation abilities in the electric vehicle manufacturing, Chinese brand BYD has also made path-breaking achievements in the overseas market in the past 10 years. The company has promoted new energy buses and taxis, an international market under its strategy of developing the electrification of urban public transportation. So far, the company's electrification strategy has been implemented in more than 400 cities in over 70 countries and regions. As a company powered ahead in the globalization process, it has grown its presence worldwide with robust sales performances and endorsements.